Hello, it's Crafty Rhea and welcome back to another video. Today I will be announcing the winner of the Easter embellishments. I had these left over after making a bunch of Easter cards and I wanted to share them with you. I have some of these cute little foil embellishments that I handmade out of the Easter candy wrappers. I have a cute window cling egg left over from the Dollar Tree, some of these cupcake toppers that I printed off, and some of the packaging from some of the Easter goodies from the Dollar Tree, and I'm hoping that you can use them in your Easter cards. In that video, I asked you to leave a comment below with the word Easter in it if this was something that you would like to win. So here we go. I have in the trusty old YouTube winner picker, I put the URL of that video and I'm filtering it for text with the word Easter. So I'm going to click here, get YouTube comments. And there are 16 unique commenters, and we'll go ahead and hit start and see who our winner is. Linda Ryder, and her comment was, I'd be thrilled to receive these Easter goodies to make some special cards, but I missed your comment deadline. That's okay, I extended the deadline up until this video, so I told her her comment would be okay. So Linda, please send me your name and address to my email address, which is tiggeria@gmail.com. TIGGERIA at gmail.com. I'll leave that in the description below for you as well. I will give you 2 days to comment me. Today is Tuesday. How about by the end of the day, Thursday the 26th? And if I don't have a winner by the end of the day, Thursday the 26th, I will draw another winner on Friday. And I just wanted to let everybody know that I'm still waiting to hear from the winner of my Christmas giveaway. So check back a couple videos and see if it's you, and please do leave me a comment. I've had to draw a second winner and I haven't heard from the second winner yet. So thanks again for watching. I do appreciate all of you. And Linda Ryder, please be sure to send me an email so I can send your prize to you. Thank you everyone for commenting and for entering my giveaway. I appreciate all of you. And until the next time, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.